Hello and welcome to the LandMark Dealer Customer Portal video. And thank you for taking the next few minutes of your time to join us. In this video, we will focus on navigating in the customer portal, look up and order parts, request service, manage our equipment, and find our previous parts and service invoices. We're going to start out here at our home page, landmarkimp.com, and we can reach the portal a couple of different ways. Down here in the main part of the page, there is a tab for Customer Portal, and up in the banner, there's also a tab for the LandMark Customer Portal. Once we get into that tab, we're going to click on Login or Sign Up. If you have not signed up for the portal, we will simply click on Sign Up Now, and we will fill out this form to create a new account. Please do keep in mind, we will need a valid email address and phone number. You will not receive any spam email or phone calls out of the dealer customer portal, but you will receive confirmation from your parts and service requests or any equipment moves, or should we need to contact you about a parts order or a service request, we will need that valid phone number. Obviously, anything with a red asterisk is a required field. Once you get this form completed, choose a password. Minimum password length is 6 characters, and we do have to have a special character in there. Simply check that you're not a robot and submit that form. At that time, it takes our team about 24 to 48 hours to be able to pull all of your equipment and invoices together in one nice little bundle and get you access to the customer portal. Once that happens, you will receive an email from LandMark at dealercustomerportal.com that tells you you're all set with access to the dealer customer portal. When we have that access, we will just come and get logged in. Once we are logged into the customer portal, you will see our dealer page. It's going to have our current specials and events, such as parts sales, maybe finance offers on used equipments, or any other special events that we have going at that time. When we scroll back up off to the left, you will see we have tabs here for ordering parts, requesting service, we could make a payment, see all of our transactions, track our payment activity, find invoices, and manage our equipment. Again, thank you for taking your time to go through these videos of the LandMark Dealer Customer Portal. We do appreciate it. Any questions that you may have, reach out to any one of our staff and we'll be happy to help you.